This video will show you how to find percentages of amounts without a calculator. Okay, to find 6% of 400, or any percentage of any number, first thing you need to do is use your best friend. Your best friend, when it comes to percentages, is 10%. Because he's always easy to find. So the first thing to do is find 10% of 400. And finding 10% is easy, because you divide by 10. 10% of 400 is 40. Now by knowing 10% we can find lots of other things which are useful. 5% will be half of 40, so it's 20. 1% would be 10% divided by 10 again, which would be 4. So how can we find 6%? We'll add these two together to get 6%, which means we've got 24. Okay, you try the next question. So remember, find your best friend, 10%, and use that to help you find 55% in this question. Okay, in this one, 10% best friend is going to be 8. But we need 5 of those to get 50%. So 5 times 8 would be 40. Now we're going to use our best friend again, 10%. Half of him would be 5%. Half of 8 would be 4. Add those together and we'll get 55%. 40 and 4 is 44. Done. Let's look at the next question. Okay, this question looks a lot different, but it's the same as we've just been doing. In this question, we've got to find 5% of 400. Okay, so it's exactly the same as the question we've just been doing. So remember to use your best friend, 10%, and have a go at it yourself. Press pause, and then I'll give you the answer. Okay, so in this one, we've got to find 5% of 400 pounds. Okay, so find our best friend, 10% of 400, well that's going to be 40. So 5% is going to be half of 10%, so it's half of 40. It's 20 pounds. And this question asks us how much money is his pay rise. It doesn't ask how much his new pay is, it's how much his rise is, so the answer is 20. Okay, have a go at this question yourself. I'll give you the answer in a second after you press pause. Okay, so in this question, we've got to find 5% of 840 pounds. So, back to our best friend, 10%. Find 10% of 840 pounds, that'll be 84 pounds. Half of that would be 5%, which is what we need to find. Half of 84 is 42 pounds. The question again asks us for his pay rise, not how much he's paid, what it goes up by. So that's our final answer.